Hello, hello! So, there have been a lot of people doing some unboxing videos, and I realized that I have never done any. So, since I just received something which I ordered from eBay, I decided that it was time to do one. So, let's see. This was in another package which I already opened. And in theory, it is the tape drive I've been waiting for a few weeks already. If you followed my channel, you will know that I've not been very lucky with tape drives. I tried to do some demonstration live and just failed. On some friend's video, somebody advised me to try a Sony TCM-939, which he said that he used to back up about 1,000 of Amstrad CPC on the Commodore 64 games. So I managed to find in UK a new old stock. Since these things are already generally very tired when they are used, I thought that maybe getting one which has not been used will help. But since I don't really believe in luck, I also got myself from Germany a set of 3 belts which remain set Sony TCM-939, TCM blah blah blah, 12 euros. And hopefully if there is a problem I can use that. So there it is, Sony cassette recorder TCM-933, full automatic shut-up and off a tape end, Q and review function, AC power adapter included, retractable handle, poignée encastrable. Same thing here. On here we have a bit more details. DC in 6-volt jack, of course it has to be 6 volts. Earphone jack, microphone, play, record, microphone. Pause, stop, eject, fast forward on review, extractable handle. Here you can see how to put the batteries, volume control, tape slot, tape counter, speaker, and yeah, battery compartment. So obviously the thing has been stored a bit tired, but so there we go, plastic shell, tape drive, yay, a UK power brick. Fancy packaging. And here we have some papers. So Sony European Guarantee Information Document, Sony at your service. Some more notice for customers, the following information is only applicable. Recycling guidelines. Connect the AC power adapter to an easily accessible AC outlet. Should you notice an abnormality in the AC power adapter, disconnect it from the AC outlet immediately. Okay, good to know. Recycling again. I love how all these devices which claim to have a lot of recycling thing have a lot of paper. Fortunately, this is mostly cardboard packaging, except the plastic cover. On cassette cassette cover, okay. Operating instruction. Something in the power adapter, stop, eject, well, that's very standard. Tape drive. So here's the thing, as you can see it still has the tapes So let's open that one. Quite smooth opening. Here we can see DC adapter, here microphone, volume control, which is a sliding control, which is nice. It means I could use some T-Pex to make some lines to indicate the volume for the various type of games. Handle, retractable, and battery. So the question is, can we get it working? So this thing is a British plug, which I do not have here, but I have one of these fancy adapters. So that should do it. Just need to find a place to connect that. Keep going. So the question is, will it play? So this thing is supposed to have a terrible sound because it is a mono player. Let's see if we can hear anything with something like that. So it's nice to have something that can actually rewind, because that's the main problem with my existing tape drive, is that the rewind feature stopped working. I'm not sure if I have it around. Because basically this thing is the equivalent of this old Philips, which I've been using for 4 years, but that one stopped doing rewind, which is a bummer. Okay, Xenon. That's not a very nice sound, but it's what we expect. So, yeah, I guess that's it. Which probably means that I should be able to start my project of actually doing some videos involving showing RX stuff. So there, that was it for you, the Sony TCM-939. Wow, and it even stopped itself on rewind, which is nice. Well, see you!